Cinema 5D at IBC 2016 is brought to you by B&H, the professional source for all your video needs. TILTA, arm your camera. Hedge for Mac, the fastest way to back up media. Blackmagic Design, creating amazing solutions for film, post-production and television. And F&V, bright ideas.
IBC 2016 is another really exciting show for us, not just because we've got new product announcements, but we've also acquired two major companies in this industry. Two companies that are both legends within their own right. Fairlight being the broadcast company for audio that is well known through all the key broadcasters, and also Ultimatte, which is really the company that when you look in the dictionary and it says chroma key, next to it says the word Ultimatte. I think when you look at both Fairlight and Ultimatte, one thing that you notice is that they already have a fantastic name, they have a fantastic product offering. But I think that when you look at what we've done with other manufacturers, when we've acquired them, the likes of Teranex, the likes of DaVinci Resole, also companies like Sintel, we've been able to give them a platform to go on and really maximize their opportunity into other markets. I think that what's great is that when you take a quality product and you drop it into the marketing machine that is Blackmagic Design, you really maximize every ounce of opportunity, and also you open up new markets that maybe weren't familiar with those products before. So whilst the ink is still wet and we haven't yet kind of decided fully what the plan is going to be, the great thing is superb products which will fit into our portfolio of products perfectly. Well, Video Assist is one of them products that was an evolutionary product from our original HyperDeck shuttle, and by combining both the monitoring with the recording device, we were able to really give people something that was the perfect tool to support your digital DSLR or your camcorder. One of the great things with that product is that it's very heavily software driven, which means that we can continue to add more and more features. So we've released 2.2 now, which is the latest version that contains things like false color. It also has on there as well the ability to lock down orientation, so if you're using a Steadicam, it's not going to flip if you move the Steadicam around. You've also got on there as well new codec support, which is great for Avid users, because we're now supporting all flavors of Avid DNX, everything from their lowest proxy version all the way up to their highest HQX. So now with RAW, with ProRes, with DNX, plus some of these new features in terms of the usability of the product, it's a real advancement, and all those are free downloads with the latest version. So anybody who already has one of those will be able to benefit from those immediately today. Today we also announced DaVinci 12.5.2. It has some significant additions in there, including Fusion Connect, which means now you can take clips from Resole, you can pass them across into Fusion. You can work with that clip within Fusion and then it will update back in Resole. So we're trying to build that workflow between Resole and Fusion. Also enhanced audio features within there as well. Recently we've started to ship the Ursa Mini 4.6K in some significant volume. We've had a bit of a stop-start process with that, but we now feel comfortable that we're going to meet a lot of those back orders before the end of the year. The exciting thing for us is that we're already starting to see a lot of footage out there from people who are shooting with the camera, and I think the excitement is generating more and more interest. We're still seeing a lot of fresh orders as well coming in for the product. So anybody who has an order for that camera and they haven't received it yet, I would expect that they'll be seeing that very, very soon. So all the Ursa Mini cameras are in the process now of being delivered. It's the same with the micro and the cinema camera, the micro cinema camera and the micro studio camera. Both those cameras now have shipped in significant volume. When you look at the larger camera, the Ursa 4.6, we're still waiting to start shipping that. Main reason being is that there's a lot of focus and emphasis on delivering the back orders on the 4.6K Mini. Once we start to eat away at that back order and we start to get down to numbers that allow us to start focusing on the larger camera, then we'll start to clear that back order quickly as well.